Welcome to the channel Dynamax Global. 10 best countries to retire on a small pension or social security. 1. Mexico. Cost of living low, around $1,200 minus $1,800 per month for a couple. Healthcare. High quality private healthcare at a fraction of US prices. Visa options. Temporary and permanent resident visas are available, with clear financial requirements. Why it's great: close to the US, diverse climates, beaches, mountains, cities, and strong expat communities in places like Lake Chapala, San Miguel de Allende, and Merida. 2. Portugal. Cost of living moderate, around $1,700 minus $2,200 per month for a couple outside Lisbon. Healthcare. Ranked among the best in Europe, with public and private options. Visa options: D7 visa for passive income earners, and Golden visa for investors. Why it's great: warm climate, low crime rate, and a relaxed pace of life. 3. Ecuador. Cost of living very low, around $1,000 minus $1,500 per month for a couple. Healthcare. Quality private care is inexpensive, public system is accessible. Visa options: pensioner visa requires only $800 per month in guaranteed income. Why it's great: mountain cities like Cuenca and coastal towns offer beautiful views and low expenses. 4. Thailand. Cost of living low, around $1,200 minus $1,800 per month in many areas. Healthcare. World-class medical tourism industry and low-cost private care. Visa options: retirement visa for those over 50 with financial proof. Why it's great: tropical lifestyle, amazing food, and friendly locals. 5. Colombia. Cost of living low, around $1,000 minus $1,500 per month in cities like Medellin. Healthcare. High quality, affordable, and accessible. Visa options: retirement visa requires proof of $850 plus per month income. Why it's great: warm climate, modern infrastructure, and growing expat population. 6. Philippines. Cost of living low, minus $1,000 minus $1,500 per month in many areas. Healthcare varies by location. Private care in major cities is excellent. Visa options: special resident retirees visa, SRRV, with multiple options. Why it's great: English speaking population, tropical paradise, and warm community. 7. Vietnam. Cost of living very low, minus $900 minus $1,500 per month. Healthcare. Improving private hospitals. Medical tourism is growing. Visa options: long stay tourist visas and workarounds are common. Why it's great: incredible cuisine, friendly locals, and rich culture. 8. Panama. Cost of living moderate, around $1,500 minus $2,000 per month. Healthcare. Excellent care in Panama City and David. Pensionado discounts. Visa options: Pensionado program is one of the best in the world. Why it's great: stable economy, use of the US dollar, and retiree incentives. 9. Nicaragua. Cost of living very low, minus $900 minus $1,300 per month. Healthcare. Basic in rural areas, better in Managua and Grenada. Visa options: retiree residency requires $600 per month income. Why it's great: colonial charm, lake and beach living, and slow-paced life. 10. Malaysia. Cost of living low, minus $1,200 minus $1,800 per month in many areas. Healthcare. Excellent private hospitals and affordable insurance. Visa options: MM2H, Malaysia My Second Home, program with financial requirements. Why it's great: English widely spoken, great infrastructure, and tropical climate. Conclusion: retiring abroad doesn't require a fortune. Countries across Latin America, Southeast Asia, and Europe offer an excellent quality of life for those living on a modest pension or social security. Key considerations when choosing a destination include access to healthcare, safety, visa policies, and the strength of the expat community. With the right planning, retirees can enjoy a comfortable, fulfilling, and even adventurous retirement overseas without breaking the bank. Thank you for watching this video.